Good morning and welcome to our Year 3 maths lesson with me, Miss Dowley. I'm just going to minimise me and pop me just down here. So let's start by writing the short date and underlining and writing the learning objective. I know what seconds are and can use these to count and underline this. So our first activity is, how many times can you clap in 15 seconds? Pause and have a try. How many times did you manage? So, some clocks have a third hand. Can you see on the clock face below the red hand? This counts the seconds. So the long hand points to the minutes, the short hand points to the hours, and if it does have a third hand, that generally points to the seconds. So let's recap over our time measurements. There are 12 hours on a clock face. There are 60 minutes in an hour, and there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. So below is a stopwatch. Have you seen one of these before? We use it to time things. Do you have a stopwatch at home? Most phones and tablets have a stopwatch on them. So if you can find one of these at home, have a look, but please ask permission if it's not your phone or your tablet. So this stopwatch here, these two numbers here count the seconds, and these two numbers here count the minutes. So you're going to do some activities now, and you will need a stopwatch to help you count accurately. So if you haven't got one, please ask a grown-up at home if they could help. So here's some things I'd like you to do. How long will it take you to do 20 star jumps? Drink a glass of water, stamp your feet 20 times, say your name 20 times. Use your stopwatch to count. Pause whilst you do this. So try recording your results in a table, just like this. And on Padlet, there will be a table that you can use and print off at home to fill in. So when you're filling it in, you put here what you did, so 20 claps, and then how long it took you. Then your next activity, so 20 star jumps, and then how many seconds it took you. What did you find out? Well, I found out that it took 12 more seconds to do 20 star jumps than 20 claps. So challenge, what can you do in 30 seconds? So set your stopwatch or timer to 30 seconds, or you can just watch it as you go along. Try finding as many different things as you can to do in that time. And I've given you some examples below. So how many Lego bricks can you put together? How many times can you write your name? How far can you write your numbers? How many toys can you put in a line? You have a think. I am sure you will come up with some amazing things that you can do. Thank you.